Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is the tech community's latest obsession, and for good reason. With leaks pouring in and rumors stacking up, this might just be the most exciting flagship Samsung has ever delivered. From groundbreaking chipset advancements to irresistible deals for early adopters, the Galaxy S25 series seems poised to dominate the market. Stay with me as we unravel the incredible details about this upcoming powerhouse. You won't want to miss a single detail. Let's kick things off with what's under the hood. Samsung is rumored to be powering its entire Galaxy S25 lineup with Qualcomm's cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This processor promises a jaw-dropping performance leap, reportedly 20% more powerful than its predecessor. Imagine having laptop-level speed in your pocket. This advancement isn't just about raw power. It also brings exceptional energy efficiency, ensuring your phone can keep up with your busiest days. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, or just someone who craves speed, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to redefine expectations. But here's where it gets even better. While previous rumors hinted at a price hike, new leaks suggest Samsung is sticking to its existing pricing strategy. If this holds, it's a game changer for flagship phones in 2025. And if you're planning a pre-order, Samsung is reportedly bringing back its fan-favorite storage doubling deal. Imagine snagging a 512 gigabytes model for the price of 256 gigabytes. These deals make it hard to resist upgrading to Samsung's latest. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will retain its sleek premium aesthetics, but with subtle refinements that improve usability. Rounded corners and a more compact width promise a better grip without sacrificing screen real estate. Early videos show a titanium-inspired finish that exudes sophistication, with color options like titanium gray and exclusive online shades to suit every style. Speaking of displays, Samsung continues to set the bar high. The S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 6.86-inch AMOLED display, marketed as 6.9 inches, with vibrant colors, deeper blacks, and anti-reflective coating that makes outdoor visibility flawless. Whether you're watching movies or scrolling through your favorite apps, this display promises to immerse you like never before. What about cameras? Samsung is stepping up its game with a 50MP ultra-wide sensor upgrade, complementing its 200MP main camera, 50MP telephoto lens, and 10MP periscope camera. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or zooming in on intricate details, the S25 Ultra's camera setup is designed to make every shot look professional. And if you're into selfies, the upgraded 12MP front camera ensures you always look your best. Battery life and charging are crucial for any flagship, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't disappoint. Its 5,000 mAh battery promises all-day performance, while 45 Du wired charging and 15 Du wireless charging ensure you spend less time tethered to a cable. Plus, reverse wireless charging means you can top up your earbuds or smartwatch on the go. Let's not forget software. Out of the box, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will run Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, offering 7 years of Android updates. Unprecedented in the Android ecosystem, the focus on longevity and innovation solidifies this device as a future-proof investment. But the competition is fierce. How does the Galaxy S25 Ultra stack up against the iPhone 16 Pro Max? From Apple's A18 Pro chip to Samsung's Snapdragon 8 Elite, both devices excel in performance, but each offers unique strengths. Samsung's advantage lies in customization and productivity, especially with the inclusion of the S Pen. It's these kinds of features that make the S25 Ultra more than just a smartphone. It's a versatile tool for creativity and efficiency. As we edge closer to the launch, the buzz only grows louder. Dummy units, leaked videos, and detailed spec sheets paint a vivid picture of what's coming. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a device that blends innovation, power, and user-focused design into one incredible package. Whether you're a loyal Samsung fan or considering switching from another brand, this phone is worth the hype. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. So, what do you think? Is this the flagship that will dominate 2025, or does the competition have a chance? Let's discuss it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more in-depth insights like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for tuning in, I'll catch you in the next one.